Hello, and welcome to my short tutorial on how to build a one-way trap. Been asked how to do that. Show you guys. So this is what we'll be doing today. In order to build a one-way trap, you need to have some sort of room. So let's just start by placing down a couple of walls. We'll then go to stash boxes. I like using these. The tool chest, I guess they're called. You need a couple of small rocks. Here you go. Stack them on top of each other. I think 3 is about adequate. Yep, I got it. Now put these 3 rocks on top of the stash box here. Should attach, there we go. Stash box on top of the small stash box. Tool chest, I guess. Put it there. And now I can walk under it easily enough, and I can walk back, no problem. Now what happens if I put down these rubber utility mats here on the inside of the trap, I guess. 2 of them. It kind of raises the floor a bit. So this plateau is higher than where I'm standing. So I should be able to walk in easily. But I cannot walk back because I'm that much higher up. So, and you can just fill out the rest of the space with some more stash boxes or whatever. It doesn't really matter what you use. There you go. And now you have a one-way trap. The player cannot leave this room. You have your vendor in here, obviously, to lure them in. A roof, of course. You can build this in a prefab. You can build this anywhere. Now, in order to get out, I like to use some kind of chair or something that you place here, because you can trap them. You have your punji boards or radiation or whatever in here, and then you need to get out. So any kind of interactable object, could be a crafting station, doesn't matter. I like to hide mine, merge them into stuff, but this is one way of doing it. You can of course add more stash boxes on top or whatever kind of decoration you want. You can use whatever you want, but really it's as simple as this. There's no magic to it apart from you being higher up than you are out here, and these 2 rocks adds as a kind of step as it lets you go in. There's another way of doing this. Some might find it easier. Let's go to floors. Put down a couple of floors here. Go to walls. Now what you want is a half wall. Then you want these slopey pieces here. A roof on top of it. And you want a wall on the back side. I'll need 1 more floor here. As you can see, I cannot walk in. Doesn't matter how much I try, I cannot walk in. However, if I do place one of these little... They're my favorite. You can use any small object, I assume, but I like using the Wanamingo plushie. If I can find it. It seems to be hiding from me. Oh, there it is. You place it somewhere around there, and it should let you walk in. No, you cannot exit again. And you're trapped. This works best on an asset node, of course, but still it keeps a player trapped in a small room. You'll have a vendor here. And just to demonstrate, I actually built a small trap for you guys just to see
I
concept in action.
Reach more of
So I use Beckett here, merged them in. Nothing out of the ordinary. It's all glass, people can see in. I mean, you can see the punji board there. You could use any other object and Beckett. I just used the punji board there. I can hide it if I want to. I just didn't bother for this video. And once again, you have the Wanamingo, you have the slanted roof here. And I should just be able to walk in, and I cannot walk out. And in this barrel, I merged the stool. so I can get out. And that's the one-way trap. It's very effective. Even for just, making people angry. Because some people, believe it or not, are unencumbered and cannot fast travel and refuse to leave the server either. So I hope it helped. I hope you can use it in your builds, and I'll see you in the next one.